So I was sent this workbench to give my opinion on it, make this short video. And I liked it so much, I went and bought another one. So I got two of these back to back here. And these are just at the perfect height for me to be working on things. I got it right next to my big old toolbox here. And it's the perfect height because they're adjustable. So you see that shaft goes up and down. You can make this very tall or quite short, and very easy to do. It's got a nice built-in drawer. Assembly was easy. It comes in a nice big flat box, but it's really easy to put together. It came with all the tools that you needed and all the hardware. It's all steel construction, so you can stick a magnet to it like that. I got it holding some shop rags on there. And the top, very heavy. I mean, this box that it comes in is so heavy because that's solid. There's no particle board or any laminate or anything going on here. This is just a really nice polished piece of wood here that's manufactured. So with all these pieces here glued together and all of those bindings there between the boards, that's it's just a really solid piece of wood. So you're gonna be able to bang on that and do all kinds of activities with it and not bang up the, dent it up too bad because it's just such a solid piece of wood. But it's a very sturdy table, so when you're working on this, it's not shaking on you, it's not moving. It's a very permanent piece that I really, really appreciate. And I can tell you it's really worth the expense because the materials they're using throughout are very, very well made, and they're quality stuff. Not only do you have feet here on the bottom, I'm using the rubber feet, they also have casters, so you can move it around with casters also. So I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this workbench, and hope this information has been useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.